Here's the ginger ready to put into the sorrel to make the sorrel wine. It's cut up and washed, and now I'm going to blend it. Put it in the blender. A lot of ginger because I make my sorrel with ginger and lime juice. To taste with ginger. Okay. So I'm going to blend all of this ginger to pour in the pot for the sorrel. Make the sorrel wine. Now I'm going to blend. That is done. See the finished product here. This is all ginger. So I'm going to take this now and pour this in the pot. It is ready. I'm not going to strain it. I'm going to put everything because I want the full taste of the ginger. So I'm washing the sorrel. Make sure it's clean. Put it in the pot. Here it is, all washed and ready to go in the pot, boiling up with the ginger in it. So I'm going to transfer it to the pot. It's red and pretty. Nice sorrel wine from the pot over there boiling up with the ginger. So I'm going to put this in the pot. Look at the pot. And the ginger pot is boiling up with the ginger. I'm going to put them in the pot like that. So good in here. Let them just go down. Press them down with a spoon into the pot of boiling water with ginger. To be covered, and then I'm going to cover the pot. There we go.